In this video, let me show you the way that you can manage your Tidal library. Welcome back to this new guide video on how Genic. If you're trying to manage the library, which is called a collection inside of Tidal, in this video, let me exactly show you how. Now, like every library, Tidal also has a collection, which includes all of these sections such as playlists or albums, or even tracks that you can add inside of your collection. Now, the way that you manage this collection is you can go into these individual sections and either add or remove albums or songs that you like. So you can see all the songs that are previously added in. If you don't have any songs added inside of this section, what you can do is head over to the home page and then click on this heart icon which says add to my collection. As soon as you do that, and if you head back to the tracks, you can see the exact song now has been added in. The way that you remove is also simple. Click on the three-dotted line and then click on the remove from my collection option. Now you can repeat the same process for other sections as well. For example, if you're trying to remove or add in albums, you can click on this three-dotted line and then click on remove from my collection. If you do want to add in new albums, you can just head over to the home page, search it up on the top right, or also head over to the explore section and find different albums that you might like. There is also a section called video where you can add in videos of different music, or you can also choose to remove it as well. All of the artists that you added into your collection will also be viewable in the artist section. You can also search for new artists by clicking on the search bar on the top right and then adding them to the artist section on the collection page. So that's basically the way that you manage your library or the collection section inside of Tidal. If this video was helpful, be sure to subscribe, share, and also give this video a thumbs up. That's going to be all for this one. I'll see you in the next video.